Shortly after joining Google, I got an opportunity to work on Health Connect. We really had a mission to really enable users across the globe who are using Android phones to share their health and fitness data in a secure and private way. Health Connect is an on-device data store that provides APIs for storing and sharing health and fitness data between different Android apps. As a dev of one of these apps, that allows you to create all sorts of magical journeys with different apps without relying on individual one-to-one API integrations between those two apps. A prime example of one of these multi-app journeys that users are able to access through Health Connect is Peloton, Oura, and Lifesum.
Oura is the creator of Oura Ring, so it's a smart ring wearable that gives you access to a lot of health data through its biometric sensing. Before Health Connect, we learned that members were capturing activity in and out of the Oura app experience. In Oura, we weren't really reflective of all of their movement, so we were posed with the question, how could we create better synergy across all the health and fitness apps our members were using? One of the reasons why we integrated with Health Connect is that it provided us the ability to read and write data at scale and in standardized formats. The second reason is that it allowed us to unlock new partnerships for partners that may not have the resources or ability to directly integrate with our API. And lastly, it allowed us to participate in the wider ecosystem of health and wellness apps. So now we're not in a silo with just Oura data, but we're participating with other apps in the wider space.
We've had a really pleasant experience integrating with Health Connect. We found that there's great developer documentation and examples that have been easy for us to pick up and get moving with, and the data that we've been able to import has been really valuable to our users. We've almost doubled the number of users importing workouts to Oura since we integrated with Health Connect last November. Not all developers have the resource to do direct integration with the Oura API to share their workout data with us, so Health Connect is a great turnkey solution for those developers to bring their data into the Oura user experience. We partner with Health Connect to bring in workout data to the Oura user experience and show Peloton workout data and rides. For example, a person could wake up in the morning to an analysis and insights on their sleep data from last night in the Oura app, but it doesn't just stop at sleep data. Oura also reads exercise data from fitness apps like Peloton and added that exercise data to the calculation of their readiness score. If Oura determined that their body is tired from yesterday's workout, it might suggest a lower intensity workout.
Our Health Connect integration allows the Peloton app to share relevant metrics about our members' workout with other applications, and they can find all of the information about that in one easy-to-access place on their phone. When members join Peloton, they want it to be part of their holistic fitness life, and connecting with other services is a big part of that. With Health Connect, we just target the API once, and we don't need to do additional implementation work to support other partners. Having a standardized API to target allows us to share our data to an ecosystem rather than targeting individual apps and services. As new features are added to Health Connect, we can adopt those changes once and receive the full benefit, rather than having to maintain separate code paths as our partners migrate. We launched our Health Connect integration at the end of 2022, and since then we've been seeing about 20% of our new members opt into Health Connect, and those members have approximately 10% increased workout retention, so they're more engaged members. And it's easier for our members who want to be able to access their data all in one place and who can feel confident they're in control of their data privacy thanks to Health Connect's permission settings.
After their workout, the user might want to make some lunch and head over to their Lifesum app. Because Oura is sharing sleep data to Health Connect, we've been able to create a nutrition and sleep experience in the Lifesum app.
As there is a clear correlation between how you eat and how you sleep, we provide our users with insights into how their dietary choices impacts their sleep and vice versa with our new sleep and nutrition feature. Partnering with Oura and building on our integration of Health Connect by Android adds the functionality for the user to import their sleep and corresponding sleep stages. By leveraging on Health Connect to build our new sleep and nutrition feature, we cut our development time with an estimated 75%. By promoting the new feature as the highest priority promotional content on Play Store, we managed to increase our organic installs times 3 for the given period. Adding sleep to the Lifesum experience, we can actually help our users to find a more holistic approach to health and create an even better user experience and empower them to live a healthier life.
So this is just one great example of the connectivity that's enabled through the Health Connect ecosystem. We really encourage you to join and integrate with Health Connect today with your app.